Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So what just happened was my family, they went inside. I was gonna get out and I tried to open the door and it didn't work, and I've been here for like 15 minutes and I don't know if there's child lock on it or anything, because right here it does not open it. If you change it really does not. It literally does not change it. You can't. Try on this side then. Is this like... So I'm kind of just trapped in here until one day they finally come out and like find me, because I don't know. And see if I can know what's on the windows. Of course I can't. Why would I? Oh my god. Sorry. I really don't know what to do. I'm dying of heat. Dude. Well, maybe I should at least try to like, maybe the front door, I can unlock it from the inside, because I thought you could unlock it from the inside. Kind of confused. Okay, so as you can see, this is right here. This is the unlock button. This is the lock. This is unlock. I literally press unlock. Unlock. What was it? Wait, what was that sound I made though? Make sure I try to unlock it again. See? This is unlock. That's lock. I unlocked it. I don't even know what to do. I can't get out here. Can I roll down the window from in here? I'm dying of heat. I don't really know what to do. How about, see you in about like 15 minutes. Okay guys, it's been like 15 minutes. I'm sorry, it hasn't been 15 minutes. I was just joking, but actually, I've been here for like 20 minutes now because I've been here 15 minutes before. Oops. But I really do not know what to do. I'm trying to chill. It's right here. I'll actually see you in 15 minutes now. Okay guys, it's been like 20, 30 minutes. I said it was gonna be 15, but way longer. Now I'm just stuck in here. I think I might have a solution, so I'm gonna try it out. So since this didn't work, I'm gonna just... I've seen this like weird thing on YouTube, and it was like if you're stuck in a car, I don't know. It was like that, and this had it open, but I don't actually believe it. That flint did not work. Try it again. Then was this it? Then something like that, and then thought it actually worked for a second. But that definitely did not work. I don't know what to do. Nothing's working at this point, and I'm just going to sit here and be scared. It opened! Wait, it actually worked! It worked, it worked. Yo! That scared the heck out of me. Finally, dude. No, I was just literally doing it. I was just doing it one last time. And, like, literally not even on camera either. I just did it. I didn't think it was actually going to work because it didn't work the other times. But let's go. I got it out. Bye. Bye.